Hidden among branches and light, Porky Heger's The Nest is more than just a place to live. It is an embrace of nature itself. Built like a giant bird's nest, the structure is woven from straw, rattan, and rope. Simple materials, yet rich with meaning. It is rounded, sheltering, inviting one to enter, dwell, and feel the silence. Inside, the outside world fades away, and all that remains is the sound of breathing and the whistling of the wind. A space, not simply built, but born from a deep understanding of place and origin. The structure is formed from a steel frame, hand-bent, creating organic curves that feel like they're growing from the ground itself. The roof is made from thatch, sustainably harvested in northern Namibia. Not just a shelter, but a symbol of connection to the landscape on which it stands. The granite used wasn't brought from far away, but was taken directly from the surrounding land. Stacked vertically, it mimics the texture of the bark of the camel thorn tree that grows wild in the desert. Rather than ostentatious luxury, the space offers honest simplicity, a place to sit, talk, or simply enjoy the silence of the desert that surrounds it. The living room at the Nest is not just a place to receive guests, but a representation of a design philosophy that prioritizes human connection to nature and each other. Two bedrooms are located downstairs, near the spacious and welcoming living area. One features an antique four-poster bed, and the other, the children's room, has pod-shaped bunk beds integrated into the wall, creating a unique and immersive sleeping experience. The interior is finished in Kayet and Rhodesia teak, sourced locally, providing warmth, shade, and authenticity. The master suite is located upstairs, with a round king-size bed made by local craftsmen, looking out onto the vast, endless desert landscape. The bricks were handmade on site, using local stone and river sand, making each wall feel like a part of the earth itself. The nest is not your typical architecture. It is a statement that the best design is not the loudest, but the softest in the soul.